Hello students, in this class we will see polynomials LBA lesson based assessment. What main? Third main, that is 2 marks questions. We have seen 1 marks questions MCQ and 1 mark subjective also. We will see 2 marks questions now in this class. There are many important questions in this. Please understand properly this part. Write standard form of linear equation polynomial and quadratic polynomial. So we know that linear polynomial equal to ax plus b, quadratic polynomial equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Find the zeros of the polynomial. I'll find one. There are many such problems I solved in my video. Please visit my page Venugopal JP channel for the exercise question. There are many exercise questions. Apart from that, I have solved many questions where in the quadratic polynomial root numbers are also there. This you can solve yourself. 42 also you can solve yourself. Find the zeros you can solve yourself. 43 I'll check. It's very important question. If sum of zeros is minus 3, product of zeros is 2. Prove that, right? So it's a standard form, right? So we write that. Very important it is, and easily you get that. Sum of 0 is what? Minus 3 they have given. What is sum of 0? Alpha plus beta, right? That is alpha plus beta equal to, what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. That is minus 3. Okay. Then from that, if we just understand, b minus minus cancel, b equal to 3a will come. So product of zeros is c by a, that is given as 2. Therefore, c equal to 2a, that is second. So now observe your two proof part. So LHS we take b plus c. B is what? 3a. C is what? 2a. Therefore, 5a equal to RHS. Why 2a, 3a? From 1 and 2. Hence proof. Very important yet simple one. Okay. 43 is done. 44 you can solve in many ways, more than one way. I will take one way. You can find for the given polynomial first alpha beta, that is roots you can find, then square and add them. That is one part. Other part I'll take is, just check out, x square minus 4x plus 5 is the polynomial given. Instead of finding the roots, I can find. That is the way I am doing here. How? See, first I'll find alpha plus beta, then alpha minus beta. Here a is what? 1, b is what? Minus 4, c is what? 5. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is minus of minus 4 by 1, that is 4. Alpha plus beta equal to c by a, that is 5 by 1, that is 5. Therefore, what is required is alpha square plus beta square. How could I write? Minus 2 alpha beta. Just check out. It's a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab and minus 2ab cancel. So alpha square plus beta square we get. Alpha plus beta we just saw it is 4 in the above. 2 of alpha beta 5. 16 minus 10 is 6. Very simple. Okay. Otherwise, you find the first alpha beta roots of this polynomial, then square and add them. That's also can be done. We'll see the next question. 45. 45. Yes. Very important questions. All these are very important questions. Don't try to find alpha roots directly. We always find all sum of zeros, product of zeros. Let's see. P of x is given as what? X square plus 3x plus 1. Here a is 1, b is 3, c is 1. How do we get it? Comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, alpha plus beta we first find. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, minus 3 by 1 is minus 3. Alpha beta is C by A, that is 1 by 1 is 1. Therefore, what we want is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, right? If you take LCM, it becomes alpha beta. Alpha, how many times alpha beta means beta times. Beta, how many times alpha beta means alpha times. So, beta plus alpha is nothing but alpha beta. We found it already. Alpha beta is product. We found that also. So, this is the answer. Don't write and don't jump and find the roots first. Okay. This can also be done in this way. 45th. 46th is also same way. Okay. First take the polynomial. Don't break your head with the what is the value we need. Don't find alpha beta directly. Alpha beta are nothing but zeros of the polynomial. So first take the polynomial x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, they are given the same one, right? So I think I can modify the same thing. Why should I write again? I'll just change the question number. Since it's the same question, right? So we have alpha beta. Now check what is needed. Alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. So what you take alpha beta common, what we get? Alpha plus beta. This alpha beta is what? 1. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus 3. Answer is minus 3. Simple, right? We'll see the next one. 47th. If one of the zeros is twice the other. Please remember one of the zeros twice the other and find the value of k. Okay. We'll take the first expression here. P of x is equal to 2x square minus x plus k. That is the polynomial given. And we say let beta is equal to 2 alpha. Or you can say alpha is equal to 2 beta also. So we know here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to k. Okay. Then alpha plus beta is what? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is minus b by a? Minus b by a minus of minus 6 by 2. That is 6 by 2 equal to 3. What is alpha plus beta means? Alpha, beta means 2 alpha. Right? That is 3. Therefore, 3 alpha is equal to 3. Okay. Oh, okay. That's correct. Therefore, alpha is equal to 1. 3 by 3 is 1. Remember, in your solved one, if you check out, they have taken this as 1. That is the wrong value. Okay. Once you find, you can put and subtract here. Okay. Then alpha beta is what? C by A. Alpha means alpha. Beta means 2 alpha. C is K. A is 2. Right? That is alpha into 2 alpha is 2 alpha square is equal to K by 2. What is alpha? We got 1. Right? So 2 into 1 square is equal to k by 2. 2 into 2 is equal to k equal to 4. K equal to 4. Right? Alpha is what we got. Since alpha we got 1, we are substituting 1 here. 2 to the 4 will come. Please understand these are the correct answers. Okay. So k it is value. Clear? We'll move to the next question. 48th. This also we have seen many times. Sum of zeros and product of zeros are 1 by 4 and minus 1. Find a and b. Let's see. P of x equal to ax square plus bx minus 4. A equal to a, b equal to b, c equal to minus 4. And alpha plus beta they have given as 1 by 4. Alpha plus beta means minus b by a is 1 by 4. Therefore, a equal to minus 4b. One equation we will put it. And product of zeros is -1 they have given, that is alpha into beta. What is product of zeros? C by A. C by A equal to -1, right? What is A here? What is A here? A we got as -4B, right? C is what? -4. A -4B equal to -1. 1 cancel, 4 cancel. Therefore, B equal to -1. B we got it already, -1. C by A. So putting this -1 in 1, we get A. Therefore, from 1, A equal to minus 4 of -1, that is 4. A equal to 4. Okay. Let's see 49th. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Yes, you can find it by first into third method, factorization method. I'll solve the 50th one. Zeros are given as √3. We say let alpha equal to √3 and beta equal to minus √3. Since zeros are given, polynomial they are asked, polynomial we will get by sum of zeros and product of zeros, we want that. So once we get product of zeros or sum of zeros, x square minus sum of 0 into x plus product of 0 is the polynomial. Okay. Therefore, alpha plus beta equal to √3 plus minus √3, that is sum of zeros is x, is 0, and product of zeros alpha beta. What is alpha beta? √3 into minus √3. Alpha beta equal to √3 into minus √3, that becomes 3 minus 3. Therefore, polynomial required is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta, x square minus 0 of x plus minus 3, that is x square minus 3 is the polynomial required. Okay. There are many important questions in this main. I'll just mark them, just check out. 50th is important, 48 is important, 47, 46, 45, and coming back 44 is important, 43 is important. Rest all are simple questions. Thank you.